Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Borla, the world's most winning exhaust. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Rockford Fosgate, purpose-built audio. And by Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
You know, here at Motorhead Garage, if we're not doing something for the show, we're probably doing something on one of our own vehicles in our spare time. We've got every tool you could think of here. We've got the bandsaw, the drill press, the pipe bender, we've got the welder, and over here in the toolbox, just about everything you could imagine. But one of the tools we use more than any others, it's the Magic Creeper. And we use it for all kinds of things around the shop. If we want to get under a vehicle, of course, that's where the Magic Creeper shines. If we want to use it as a fender cover, a lot of times someone will come in with a fancy car that we don't want to scratch up, and we want to be very careful with that. Or on the opposite end of the spectrum, bring in something that we want to rebuild totally, and we don't want to get tetanus by leaning on that. So we use it as a fender cover to protect our clothes. And then, of course, to move some heavy objects, occasionally we'll pack up the entire crew and head off someplace. And we use the Magic Creeper as a bit of a conveyor belt to get stuff in and out of the back of one of our vehicles. When we take it out on the road, we have a production truck, and sometimes we need to run some cables, so we run the Magic Creeper under that truck. And if we get in trouble along the way, naturally, at the side of the road, the Magic Creeper is there for us. We've had a flat tire or two, and the Creeper has come in handy. And you know what? We've had a flat in the rain time or two as well. And so you have the Magic Creeper emergency kit. It gives you a raincoat. And the Magic Creeper is the thing that gets wet and dirty, and you do not. You're able to go along your way, and it will not ruin your day like it would otherwise. And once you're done slogging around in the mud with the Magic Creeper, well, the Creeper cleans up really easily. Just spray it with your favorite cleaner and give it a little scrub, and you are good to go. There are substitutes for the Magic Creeper, but accept none of them. The only real Magic Creeper can be found at magiccreeper.com. It makes a great gift, and you're going to find it so useful, so go check it out. Over the past several weeks, we've seen products from the Last Coat, and we've seen some amazing demonstrations. Frankly, though, there's some other products out there that give a great impression on the first try. What sets the Last Coat apart from all those competitors?
Certainly. As a professional detailer, we wanted to hit durability, longevity, and ease of use with all of our products, right? You don't always get that with everything that's on the market. You're constantly trading one thing for another. So all of our products are designed in a laboratory, and then we take them out and do real-world testing with them until we know and are confident that the product is going to do what we want it to do and what we say it's going to do.
And you know, how meticulous are you as a professional detailer? How important is that to you?
Very, very meticulous. My clients are very meticulous, so that makes me be even more meticulous.
You do the real-world testing, but you also rely on your customers as well. How so?
Yes, so when we're going to introduce a new product, we certainly have an idea of what we want to introduce, but we will also send out an email to our list, and we will ask people what they want to see. So a lot of our products that we do have come from that list and what people want to see that we offer.
How hydrophobic is the Last Coat?
It is extremely hydrophobic. When you see it in action with water on top of it, you're going to have nothing but beads traveling, and you're going to get a nice sheeting action with the beading that will remove the water from the surface for you, as well as great self-cleaning characteristics.
I've seen a lot of companies roll out, 50 different bottles of all these different products, and I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do?
Certainly, it's very confusing. We could make a lot more money by offering 10 different trim restorers, but that's not benefiting you. We want to make sure that you have a product that is going to work, do what we say, and easy for you to decide what you need for your vehicle.
You can learn more about their products at thelastcoat.com/Motorhead, and also that's the place where you can find a special deal because you are a Motorhead Garage viewer. We have a whole new episode of Motorhead Garage coming your way next week. Be sure to tune in then. And in the meantime, if you can't get enough of us, check out our Facebook page. Tell us how we're doing, see what we're up to. And if you have a product you'd like to see on the show, email jeff@masterstv.com. You can get your product here in the studio and show it to the world. From our entire crew here at our Borla Studios, we'll see you next time here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings.